Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet a simple granny square. My square is 5 centimeters. For the work you will need yarn, a hook 3.5 centimeters and a pair of scissors. To start crocheting a granny square, make a slip knot. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To form a circle, join the last chain and the first with a slip stitch. To start the first round, crochet 3 chains. They will stand for the first double crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. To the center of the ring, crochet 1 double crochet stitch. Is the second double stitch from the group of 3. Now again, yarn over 1 more double crochet stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, and repeat 3 double crochet stitches to the center of the ring. One double crochet, two double crochet, and the last here 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, again 3 double crochet stitches, one double crochet, two, and the third one, the last one, in the group of 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 2, 1, 2, repeat the pattern, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and now don't forget to crochet 2 chains. 1, 2, and let's join the first round into a circle. Insert the hook to the third chain of the first double crochet. And make a slip stitch. To start the second round, we need to move the thread under the arch of 2 chains with the help of slip stitches. Insert the hook to the next chain you have, make a slip stitch, insert the hook to the next chain, and make again a slip stitch. So the first round is ready. For the second round, I'm going to use yellow color of my yarn. To start the second round and to secure the thread from the previous round, insert the hook under the arch formed by 2 chains and return the loop from the first round to the hook. Pull the yarn of another color through to make a loop. Tighten the threads you have behind the granny square. And to secure the thread you have on the hook now, turn the hook counterclockwise. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. It counts like the first double crochet stitch. The threads you have behind the granny square, crochet inside. Now to the same place under 2 chains, crochet 2 more double crochet stitches. Is the second double crochet and the third double crochet. Chain 1 and move to the next top of the granny square under the arch of 2 chains. Crochet 3 double crochet stitches, crocheting the yarn which you have behind the granny square inside. One double crochet, 2, 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, at the same top of the granny square, crochet 3 double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, a chain, move to the next top, crochet 3 double crochet stitches under the arch of 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, to the same place 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, a chain, and to the next top repeat the pattern 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chain, 3 double crochet stitches. The second round is almost done. Now make a chain and to the first top crochet 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 'Don't forget to make 2 chains, 1, 2, And now let's join the second round into a circle with a slip stitch. Insert the hook to the third chain of the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. To start the third round of the granny square, we need to move our crocheting under the arch formed by one chain. Insert the hook to the next chain you have, make a slip stitch, the same to the next chain, a slip stitch, and the second round is ready. To start the third round, to change my yarn and to secure all the threads from the previous round, insert the hook under the arch of one chain, return the loop to the hook, pull the yarn through, tighten the threads you have behind the granny square. Turn the hook counterclockwise and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. It counts like the first double crochet stitch of the third round. The threads you have on the wrong side of the granny square, crochet inside the round under the same chain. Crochet 2 more double crochet stitches to have 3 double crochet stitches here. The second and the third. A chain at the top of the granny square, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Don't forget about the yarn, crochet it inside the round. One double crochet, two, three, chain 2, 1, 2, to the same place, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, a chain, three double crochet stitches under the arch formed by one chain, one, two, three, a chain, to the next top, 3 double crochet stitches, two chains, 1, 2, to the same place, 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, a chain to the arch formed by 1 chain, crochet 3 double crochet stitches, a chain, and repeat the pattern. At the next stop, crochet 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, move the hook under the arch, crochet 3 double crochet, make a chain, and to the next top crochet 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. I've crocheted 3 last double crochet stitches, make a chain, and let's join the third round into a circle. Insert the hook to the third chain of the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now, can you see the next chain? Insert the hook to the next chain from the wrong side of the granny square and pull the loop through that chain. Cut the thread and make a knot. All the threads from the wrong side of the granny square can be cut. Pull them a little, take the scissors and just cut them. All of them are secured. And the granny square will be ready. If you want your granny square to be bigger, repeat the third round of the square as many times as you need.